Well, I've gotten the 9 pot lights over on the other side installed. I've got the ones installed on this side that's going to be over the kitchen area also. I'm putting in the last 2, and look how high up we are. I think, well, on this side wall here, I'm only 16 feet up, but let me tell you what, when you're standing on a piece of scaffold, 2 bucks of scaffolding, and technically speaking, in order to do the middle lights and the side lights, I have to stand on that ladder on top of these buckets of scaffolding. That's probably the only time I'll ever be able to see out this window way up here. But yeah, getting these pot lights put in. I definitely like this model and brand better. These were from Home Depot. They're a little bit more sturdy. I liked the clips that nailed. The other ones had clips also, but these just nailed better. But one of the key features that I really like is whenever you open the door to do the electrical, this is hinged. It doesn't come off. The other ones come off and you have to go find them. The only thing I do not like is that they have knockouts on the top and sides. So I have to install a knockout clamp to clamp my wires, as opposed to the other model, which had the slip-in type where you could just slide your wire through the plastic clip and that would hold it. But today we're way up high, and we're finishing up this wiring. I've just temporarily got those wire run to it. It's not going to the electrical panel. I've just got a plug wired. I'll show you a picture of that here in a second, but moving forward, we're getting there, man.
Hi, Tony.
Well, it's decision day. When we had them build the loft up here, we had them overhang the beams. And I told them not to cut them off because I'm not sure what I wanted to do with them yet. We have two choices. Number one, we measure out 3 feet and we cut them off. That's the same width as the stairs. So it'll be a straight cut all the way across. Our second choice was we were thinking of cutting it so it kind of has a curve, a radius. So we didn't know which one we wanted to do or how we wanted to do it, so we had them leave it along. I'm down to the point now where it's time to decide on what to do on it. And that's where I'm at. That's today's job, is cutting these off and getting them to length.